We're just going to finish up. I'm just going to give you a little bit of homework to bring this all together. So, a little activity. It's kind of a project. It's not really a project, it's a little bit of writing. So what I want you guys to do for homework is I want you to write about a fear that you have and how you might be able to overcome it, using these questions to help you structure that writing. And if you look on the back of your worksheet, that information is all there for you, okay? It doesn't need to be particularly long, sort of maybe a couple of hundred words, that's fine. But try to put into action these ideas that we've been discussing throughout the lesson, using the vocabulary, using the grammar as well. Use lots of nice conditionals, okay? But thank you so much, guys. You've been really great. Thank you for this afternoon, and have a lovely evening.
Thank you.